All right, team. Start with the main valves. Check the coolant lines first.
Copy that. On it.
All right, team, this is it. It's bigger than I thought. We've got our work cut out for us. The antlers are heavily cracked, deep into the core.
And the facial plates?
Peeling steel, and look at these oxidized seams, they're the worst.
The front armor is heavily corroded, and the chassis is cracked. It's in worse shape than I thought.
The piping is heavily corroded. Structural integrity is a major concern. The welds look compromised too. This isn't going anywhere anytime soon. The suspension is completely shot on this axle. The brakes look just as bad. Report on the front wheels. All right, secure the chains around the rear axle first.
Copy that. Be careful with that connection point. All right, bring it in nice and slow.
Affirmative.
Watch the clearance on the antlers. Ready on the crane hooks.
Keep it slow and steady, watch the clearance.
Looking good, bring it in.
Stop right there, perfect.
Keep it steady on the antlers. Check the chassis, looking good.
Increase pressure on the left arm. Copy. Focus on the antlers and the tires now. Copy. Copy that.
All right, cover the antlers thoroughly. Yeah. Looks like it's taken the grime right off. Power wash from the top, let it run down the grill.
Keep the pressure steady on the frame. Adjust angle on rear axle, 15 degrees. That's it, moving to the fuel tanks now.
All right, crew, let's secure the jaw panel and start the lift. Straps are secured, engaging power tools now.
Careful with the hydraulics, easy on the hoist.
Panel is free, moving it out.
Keep it steady, watch the cables.
Confirmed separation. Engine bay is clear. Moving the cab to the holding bay.
The mounting plate needs reinforcing there.
Agreed. And check this wiring harness.
That's next on the list.
Okay. Keep it steady, watch that left cable.
Slow and easy.
Check the clearance. Lower it down, we're almost there.
All right, team, this is the one. Clear. Clear the way.
Watch the clearance.
Slow and steady, let's get it onto the pads. Keep scraping, we're making progress. The sludge is really thick here. Watch the trays, they're getting full. The readings on this bearing are within tolerance.
Good, let's move it to the inspection pile.
I need that cleaner over here, please. The reaction appears stable. We're making good progress on the corrosion.
The rust is gone. This is exactly the precision we needed.
Excellent work. The piston's in correctly. Can you pass me the next bearing?
Right here, it's the heavy duty one, just like you asked.
Perfect. Make sure to check the tension on this one. It's a critical point. All right, align the crank and drop the pistons.
Checking torque on cylinder heads now.
Perfect. Set the timing and cover it up. Ensure the coolant lines are secure. Fuel lines are in. Installing the final turbocharger now. Visual check complete. Excellent work, team. The turbo system is installed and the wiring's all secured.
It's perfect.
Ready for the truck.
Keep the angle steady on the antlers.
Affirmative, leader.
Monitoring pressure on the tank section.
Keep it steady. Looks like we're almost there.
Initiating retraction.
Verified. It's perfectly straight now. Okay, disconnect the stabilizers, then lower the axle.
Copy that.
Watch the spring, it's heavy. Check the torque on that bracket.
Right, got it.
And verify the alignment here. It looks just a touch off. All right, lift the old one clear.
Ready.
Position the new one. Careful. Bolting it now. All right, weld number 5 looks solid. Moving to the next section. Keep these lines clear.
Got it.
That's better. Now route the air hoses through the new brackets. Keep it steady. Perfect.
All right. Looking good.
Align it just a fraction to the left. Careful now. The finish is perfect. Looks like the protective layer is set.
Excellent work, team.
Ready for the next stage. All right, crew, initiate the lift. Easy does it.
Copy, leader.
Monitor the structural integrity closely. Let me know about any anomalies.
Antlers clear. Continuing the hoist.
All right, team, let's verify these measurements again. Looking good, boss. Ready to weld.
Check the alignment, steady now.
Excellent. Precision on point.
Keep it steady. Perfect fit.
Looks good, leader.
Now, secure it. Check the alignment again.
Line up the optical assembly now.
Checking structural integrity here. Ready for the fasteners, boss.
Verified. Proceed with the weld.
The alignment looks perfect. Proceed with the final blend on the grill. Roger that. Initiating weld on the deer structure.
Set it there. Yeah. Straighten it carefully. Looks good. Let's weld it. Running the bead now. Ensure the insulation reaches all the way to the edge.
Got it.
Looks good. Let's secure the panels now.
The finish looks perfect. Let's start prepping the grill next.
Agreed. The seams are flawless.
Ready when you are. All right, team, let's get those digital panels secured.
Careful with the wiring, boss.
Perfect. Power up the gauges.
Line up the shaft precisely.
Okay, leader, it's steady now.
Tightening the final bolts.
Make sure the seat is perfectly aligned. The rails need to be secure.
Copy that.
And ensure the pedal throw is just right. The gear selector goes there. The harness is installed correctly.
Confirmed.
Good. Let's install the panels.
Keep it steady, watch the seal.
Clear.
Push it in, careful not to crack the corner. Looks good, boss. Keep the pressure steady on the cab.
Roger that.
Move to the rear, let's blast that final section.
Excellent. Move the industrial machines to the next quadrant.
Affirmative, ma'am. Let's get these deposits cleared.
Keep the panel perfectly level. Copy that. And ensure the weld is seamless there.
Ensure every seal is perfect.
Understood, Commander.
Torque applied.
The piping is secure.
Good. Everything looks solid here.
Ready for paint.
Keep it even on the panels.
Right, boss.
Nice work on the chrome.
Thanks. Double check the seams around the eyes. We can't afford any overspray.
Got it. Looks tight.
Keep it steady. We need that perfect coverage everywhere. It's looking great, boss. Almost done with the cab.
Keep the pressure consistent on the manual guns. Ensure no overspray near the actuators.
Copy that. Moving to the rear now.
Ensure the color gradients are smooth on the jawline. We've got the helmet section.
Looking good, leader.
Keep the spray even. Watch that highlight on the antlers.
Affirmative.
Perfect. Now, the teeth. The finish is holding perfectly.
Not a single spot missed.
Outstanding work, team.
Ensure complete coverage on the chassis. Looks perfect on the tank. Outstanding work, team.
All right, bring it in nice and slow. Looking good, steady.
Yeah.
Perfect. Shut it down.
All right, bring it down slowly. Just a little to the left. Hold. Now, gentle push to the right. Perfect. Lower it down. Keep tightening.
Got it.
Perfect. It's settled.
Looks good.
The radiators are in place. Let's secure these lines.
Understood, leader. Let's get these hoses tightened down.
Lowering. Easy now.
Clear on this side. Slow and steady.
Stop. Stop. Alignment looks good. Lock it in.
Ensure the wiring is secure to the antler harness.
Got it, boss.
Checking side markers now.
Clear.
And power up. Let's see them shine.
They're working. Beautiful.
Fantastic job, team.
Torque check completed at the engine mount.
Status green on the tanker mounts.
Wheels and suspension checked. Approved.
Keep the pressure steady on the hose. Topping off the brake fluid?
Check the coolant level now.
Perfect. This machine is ready.
All right, system primed. Checking pressure. Green light on all gauges. Fuel is ready. Time for the moment of truth. Come on, baby! Yes! Finally! Excellent. It's running perfectly. Flawless.
The brakes are engaging correctly?
Suspension pressure looks good.
Checking the manifold readings now. Excellent, proceed with the final check.
Main system's online. Checking pressure. Valves, initiate cycle.
Pressure reading nominal.
Main valve cycling, everything's green. Keep working on the seams near the tank.
Yes, leader.
That shine on the antlers is perfect. The finish is exquisite. Ensure the seam on the antlers is seamless.
Understood, leader.
Excellent. Let's send it to the client.
The Phoenix is ready.
Incredible work, leader. Looks like it just rolled off the line.
The culmination of years of work, the deer-themed tanker stands in its full glory. Every gear, every...
The restoration is complete.
It's a masterpiece.
Ready for the road.
Excellent. It's driving like a dream.
Perfectly restored.
Solid.